Well, I am out here today to begin clearing for where the drain field work will go. I'm not installing a septic system out here at my mother-in-law's place, but the company that is going to install the septic system wants the trees cut down and the stumps left in place, and they'll come out and take the stumps out and put the drain field in. So today, we're gonna go ahead and get all the trees cut down, get them on the ground, get all the branches off, get the logs stacked and the branches over on the burn pile. Was going to wrap this one up. So I do have a couple more trees to take down, but I'm not going to bore you guys with that. So we took down the big ones, the leaners. We had to end up pulling on them all with a rope. We got the big mess cleaned up so that next weekend I'll be able to do a bunch of dirt work. I've got a bulldozer coming out. There'll be a video all about that. But in any case, this is the condition that I need to leave this in for the guys that are going to install the drain field. They'll come out with their excavator and they'll pull the stumps out. They'll put them in a pile for us. They're qualified, licensed septic installers, so they do the dirt work where the drain field goes here in Pierce County. Overall, it went pretty well. We didn't have any major problems, and all the trees landed right where we wanted them to. Took a little bit longer than I thought, and I got to tell you what, this is hard work. I shout out to all those guys that are doing tree work every day. This is a killer on you. In any case, I hope you guys enjoyed. Check out some of these other links. We'll have my my garage build, the tractor series of videos, and definitely hit that subscribe button. It always helps me out in the long run. Until next time, thanks for watching.